Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a button in Framer. Let's begin by creating a new frame on your canvas. Think of this as the foundation for your button. You'll want to set its dimensions, perhaps to 160 pixels wide by 48 pixels tall, to give it a standard size. Next, add a text layer inside this frame for your button's label, like "Click Me." Make sure to center that text perfectly within your new frame for a clean look. Now, let's make your button visually appealing. Select your frame and give it a background color. A nice blue or a professional gray works well. To soften those sharp edges, apply a border radius, maybe 8 pixels, for a modern, rounded feel. Don't forget to style your text too. Pick a clear font and a color that stands out against your background. You might even add a subtle shadow to give your button a bit of depth. A button isn't complete without interactivity. Select your button frame and head over to the Interactions panel. Here, you'll add a tap trigger, which tells Framer what to do when someone clicks. You could set it to navigate to a different page, open an overlay, or even trigger an animation. For an extra touch, consider adding a hover effect, perhaps changing the background color slightly to give users visual feedback. To ensure consistency and efficiency, turn your button into a reusable component. This is a powerful feature that lets you use the same button design everywhere without recreating it. You can even create different variants, like a hover state or a disabled state, all within one component. Once it's perfect, publish it to your design system, making it readily available for all your future projects and ensuring a cohesive user interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.